All right, so we have f of x is 8x minus 72, and g of x is x squared minus 6x minus 27. So if I want to find the quotient of f divided by g, I'm just going to take this function and divide by this guy. So that's going to give me, I'm just going to rewrite this, f divided by g of x is going to give me f over g. Now I can simplify this, but that involves me having to factor the top and the bottom. So if I factor the top, I can take an 8 out. I'm left with x minus 9. Factor the bottom, I'm left with x minus 9, x plus 3. So we would say, all right, let's cross out x minus 9. So I'm left with 8 over x plus 3. But this is a simplified version of this. I've crossed out a factor. I've crossed out x minus 9. So when it asks for the domain, if I just list -3, which looks like it's the only issue with my domain now, then these two things are no longer the same. Okay? We're saying that I could plug 9 into this, but if I plugged 9 into this, it would not work. If I plugged 9 into this, it would not work. So you can simplify, but you still need to maintain the same domain, because if I can plug 9 in here and not into here or here, then these two things really aren't equal. So you have to maintain that even though a factor has been crossed out, that the domain coincides with the original or with the factored version like this. So that is why -3 is not in our domain, as well as 9. Because if I include 9 in my domain, then I've changed the function itself. As long as I keep 9 out of the domain, these two things will now still be the same, technically. Okay.